Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust the margins of a PDF file using Foxit PDF Pro. If you're using Adobe Acrobat, I've got a separate tutorial for that, just click the link on the screen. To start, open your PDF file and find the page that will serve as your reference for margin adjustments. Head to the Organize tab and click Crop Pages. Drag your mouse from the upper left corner to the lower right corner of your desired margin area, then release the mouse. If you're not happy with your selection, you can tweak the margins using the small buttons for the top, left, bottom, and right margins. If you want to completely remove the white margin, check the provided checkbox. However, we won't choose this option in our tutorial. Next, decide if you want the adjustment to apply to just one page or the entire document. For this tutorial, we'll apply it throughout the document. Click OK to apply the changes. Foxit PDF Pro will start cropping all the pages according to your settings. Check how the document looks. If you're not satisfied, simply press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac to revert to the original state. I hope this video helps you a lot. Thank you for watching. Until next time, good day.